Once you hit product market fit, every feature choice carries more weight. The stakes are higher, your roadmap is full, and your user base is growing. AI is popping up in your competitors' releases, and it's tempting to add something smart fast. But if you bolt on the wrong AI feature, you're not just wasting resources. You risk losing user trust, slowing your platform down, and making your product harder to use. The best way to avoid that? Focus on where AI actually removes friction. We always start with the user journey. Where do users drop off? Where do they repeat the same manual steps? For one client, users were wasting time digging through nested menus. We replaced that with a global AI search that answered questions directly, without needing to switch context. No chatbot, no extra interface, just faster answers in the same UI. That's key. Not every AI feature should be a chatbot. In fact, most shouldn't. Here's a simple process that's worked again and again for our clients. Audit your top 5 user flows. Look for long sessions without output. Prototype AI using real product data. Test with power users and track task time and error rate. For another client, this helped us stitch a separate AI screen and fold suggestions into existing reports. Usage went up immediately because it felt natural. AI needs to feel safe too. One client of ours, Spider Impact, wanted clarity around data privacy. So he added a small lock icon to AI models. A single click revealed exactly what data was used and what wasn't. That reduced friction in sales calls without slowing down everyday users. Another example are speculative forecasts. The platform made guesses based on historic data, so we labeled the output clearly as not guaranteed. We also pre-filled the prompt field with real user examples. That small touch increased next step completions. Good AI gives users control. When AI fails, it shouldn't leave people hanging. A fallback, like rule-based search or multiple AI-generated options, keeps users engaged and moving forward. Want to know where to actually start? Check these 3 areas first. Support tickets with how do I questions, session replays in revenue critical flows, and naming, structuring, or filtering actions with high drop-off. Sometimes AI adds value, sometimes it gets in the way. One client improved retention by removing an AI step from their onboarding. One thing is clear, rushed AI creates friction, scoped AI removes it. That's what your users want. That's what scales. If you want help designing AI your users actually adopt, let's talk.